Hey guys! Today on Stations of the SkyTrain, we'll be exploring one of the multimodal transit hubs in Metro Vancouver. And we are here in Coquitlam to see one of them today. So with that said, let's go around and see what Coquitlam Station has to offer. Let's go!
The next station is Coquitlam Central.
Coquitlam Central is a station on the Millennium Line and the West Coast Express. Located along the Lougheed Highway and close to 400 meters south of the Barnett Highway. In 1995, the station opened as part of the West Coast Express, while opening the SkyTrain station as part of the Evergreen extension of the Millennium Line in late 2016.
Alright everyone, we are here at our very first stop at the Park and Ride, where car drivers can park their cars and take transit. When they park their car here, they need to use the TransLink Park and Go app and pay for their parking.
This app can be downloaded on Android and Apple devices. Once you have paid for your parking session, you can continue your journey by taking transit.
Now this is quite a huge space, and that's why there's more parking down that way. So now that we've covered the Park and Ride, let's head on over to the bus loop. Let's go! Alright everyone, we are here at the bus loop at the station, which holds 14 bus bays. 12 of them are held here on the main island platform, while the other 2 are held at the mini platform over there. Over here at Bay 7 is a designated stop for a rapid bus. You can see behind me that the rapid bus uses all doors in a more rapid fashion to board passengers. Over here at Bay 6, this is where you can catch a bus bridge.
But that's only when there is a delay on the SkyTrain system, especially if this station is affected by it.
You can also catch a night bus here,
especially when SkyTrain is not operating during the night. This service runs on the N9 downtown.
Now that we've covered the bus loop, let's head on over to the SkyTrain station. Let's go! Once you have crossed the street, you might have came across this piece of artwork over here.
This artwork is the Unity tree, which was created by Paul Reimer. This tree is actually made of recycled SkyTrain tracks. I have placed a description of this artwork down below in the description of the video.
Alright everyone, we are now at the entrance of the station, where we also have our compass station where you pay your fare. So now, let's head on through the gates and take the elevator up to the train platform. Let's go! Alright everyone, we are here at the train platform at the station, and you can see that this station uses the side platforms. The platform we're on right now are for trains going to VCC Clark, and the platform across from us are for trains going to Lafarge Lake Douglas.
This station also has its basic amenities, including the next train arrival display up here and the designated waiting area.
This station is also decorated with artwork by Indigenous peoples,
like the one on the panel glass dubbed Our Foundations by Maynard Johnny Jr. The artwork depicts the natural and cultural heritage of the Coquitlam peoples. These can be found on both platforms.
Now on the other side of the tracks over there,
there's an additional set of tracks. This sets the foundation of a potential SkyTrain line towards Port Coquitlam. But we'll wait and see what will happen next in terms of planning for future SkyTrain extensions.
now that we've covered the train platforms, let's head down to the West Coast Express. Let's go.
As we head back down, you'll see a couple more artwork. This one is the canoe, carved by Stolo artist Mark Point. Once we get to the bottom, you'll see another glass art of the Coquitlam First Nation. As we walk to the West Coast Express, there is a stop for the Handy Dart, which is a bus service for individuals with disabilities and cannot take transit without assistance. Now, let's keep going to the West Coast Express station.
Alright everyone, we are here at the West Coast Express station. And as mentioned earlier in the video, this station was opened in 1995 as part of the West Coast Express. Now that we're here, let's go check the station. Let's go. Okay, over here we have our Compass station. And unlike the SkyTrain station, this area does not have any fare gates. Instead, we've got Compass card readers. So West Coast Express passengers must tap in before they enter the station and tap out when they arrive at their next stop. So now let's head under the tracks that will lead us to the train platforms. But first, we're in. Alright everyone, we're here at the train platform of the West Coast Express station, but I don't see another platform for the opposite direction.
The West Coast Express is a commuter train service that operates during peak hours, making trips westbound to downtown Vancouver early in the morning and eastbound to Mission later in the afternoon. Between these periods, freight trains use these tracks to transport goods such as food products, automotives, grains, and other oversized and dimensional goods.
So now we are on a much smaller ramp, which will lead us to this mini platform here. This area is for passengers who have difficulty using stairs to the trains.
When the train arrives, passengers can request a ramp. The train attendant will grab the ramp and bridge it from the train to the platform. With the basic station amenities, the station has seating and information displays.
And that is all what Coquitlam Station has to offer. So if you like what you see here today, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more transit videos like this one, and comment down below which station you would like to see next. Thank you all for watching. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time with something that's all things transit. See ya!